Founded in 2021, Shenzhen ATETOOL Company Limited is a leading manufacturer supplying high-quality soldering equipment and accessories. ATETOOL is dedicated to producing top-of-the-line soldering irons, soldering stations, and soldering accessories to meet the needs of both professional and amateur soldering enthusiasts. Our certified soldering irons are designed with precision and durability in mind, ensuring that they can handle even intensely sophisticated soldering tasks. Our soldering stations are equipped with patented PID temperature control technology, providing precise and consistent heat for optimal soldering results. They are rigorously tested before delivery to ensure their performance and reliability. As a professional soldering iron station supplier, we have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. We offer OEM and ODM services to ensure that our products meet the specific requirements of each client. Our products are available for wholesale, distribution, or resell from home and abroad, making them accessible to businesses of all sizes. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Choose ATETOOL as your partner in soldering equipment and accessories. We have confidence and capability to offer you high-quality products, exceptional service, and competitive pricing. Contact us now to learn more about our products and services. We strive to exceed your expectations in all possible ways.